Hi dear students, this is Altaf Khattak. Welcome to the Sheed Virtual Academy. Dear students, today our lecture is about SWOT analysis. SWOT is actually, we have 4 words here: strength, weakness, opportunity and threat here. SWOT, actually the SWOT analysis is the audit of the organization and its environment. So here we are focusing on strengths of the organization, weakness of the organization, opportunity of the organization and threat available to the organization. We will talk about these things. Students, actually the strength and weakness, this lies inside the organization, inside the organization. Inside the organization we can say internal factors. We can say internal factors. So actually these strengths and weaknesses, if this is internal factors, so we know that internal factors are controllable factors. We can easily control these factors. We will try our best to convert our weakness into strengths. We have to identify the strengths of the organization, in which areas actually we are strong and in which areas we are weak. We will try our best that in which areas, if we are weak, we will try our best to make it strong. Then we can convert our weakness into strength. The second part is actually opportunity and threat. This is external factor actually, because opportunity is available in the market and threat is also available in the market. Threat we will face in the market. So here these are what? These are actually external factors. External factors. External factors, students, you know that external factors are uncontrollable factors. We cannot control them, but we will try our best to convert those threats into opportunity. Opportunity always exists in the market, but to avail that opportunity, there will be some difficulties. That difficulty will be those problems. We face difficulties, we will face problems there. So those are actually threats. So those threats we will try our best to convert our threat into opportunity and to avail that opportunity to go behind our goal and objectives. The whole purpose of the SWOT analysis is here, our focus is to add value to our customers and product, to add value to services and our products, goods. So here the focus is to add value to our products and services. Here, if we focus on to add value to our customer services and products, then we can attract new customers. We can retain our existing customers. And at the end, actually, what it will end with SWOT analysis. Through the SWOT analysis, we can check our position, that where I am today and where I will be in future. Today here we are going to compare even our organization with competitors, and here we can see that, for example, they're good, we are good, where they are good, where we are good. So here, if we identify our weaknesses today, so tomorrow maybe we can convert that weaknesses into strengths and we become the market leader in. Students, as we studied, SWOT analysis is a tool of auditing our organization and its environment. The main purpose of the SWOT analysis is to add value to our product and services, to extend our products to markets and increase our return on investment. Here actually, students, the strengths of an organization could be specialist marketing expertise. You have expertise and your competitors don't have expertise, so it will be considered your strengths. New or innovative product to be introduced in the market, so this is considered your strength. If the organization has a quality process and procedures of making and producing new product, it will be considered your strengths. Students, any other aspect which add value to product and services is considered the strength of the organization. The next actually we have weaknesses. In weaknesses, actually weakness of the organization, it may be lack of marketing expertise. You don't have marketing expertise, your competitors have They have actually marketing expertise. So they have strength and you have weaknesses here. Undifferentiated product, if your product is not different from your competitors, so it means that your sales will not be that much high. If you are different, then it will be your strength. If you are not different, it will be considered the weakness of the organization. Poor quality of the product is considered weakness of the organization. Damaged reputation of the organization, low reputation of the organization is always considered as threat for considered the weakness of the organization. So the next we have what? We have opportunity. Opportunity, as we know, lies in the market. So are developing new markets such as internet. Today we use technology, the whole world is dependent on technology. So you are selling your product and the new market is internet now. So through internet you are selling your product. This is a new market. So this is also the opportunity for the existing organization. Moving to a new market. You are already captured a market and you are moving to a new market. Maybe your own in the domestic market. It can be international market. So when you are going there, you are searching a new market and you are offering your product there. This will be considered opportunity for the organization. A market vocated by an ineffective competitor. Always in the competition, some competitors will be strong, some competitors will be weak. So when your weak competitor is going out of the market, this is opportunity for you to capture the market. So in the last thing we have what? We have threat. Threat could be new competitor. New competitor always bring some problems for you. So new competitor is a threat for you because the new competitor will attract customer from your company. Price war, for example, the competitor when in the competition, price war starts. Price war start means they are decreasing their prices, the profit will decrease. So this is considered threat for the organization. Competitors' superior access to distribution channel. We are dependent organization, businesses dependent on the distribution channels. If they have better access, if competitor have better access to distribution channel as compared to you, it will be considered your threat. If you have superior access to distribution channel, then this will be strength. If your competitors you don't have superior access to distribution channel, so it will be considered threat for the organization. Thank you, students. Hope inshallah today lecture will be clear to you. For more videos, you can watch more videos on RashidVirtualAcademy.org. Thank you very much and see you in next lecture.